Alright guys, so as you can see on your screen, I am logged in to the PU Prime app on my phone right here. Okay, and I want to show you where the copy trading is and what are the things that you need to know about this one. So guys, PU Prime allows users to do the copy trading feature, and it allows them to replicate the strategies of experienced traders, and it makes it ideal for the beginners and hands-off investors as well. So becoming a copier is very simple and very user-friendly. So in the PU Prime app, guys, at the bottom, you will see trades, orders, discover, promo, and profile. Now you just need to tap on discover right there, okay, and you will see a lot of different stuff in here. Okay, so you have the copy trading, and you have the community, you have the 24/7, the economic calendar, analysis, newsletter, and the FX TV. So you could go ahead and check on all those. So I would actually strongly suggest that you download the PU Prime app. That way you could explore it more. So guys, after registration and funding your account, navigate to the copy trading right here, okay? And you will see that there you can browse a wide selection of signal providers who share their trading activity for the others to follow. So as you can see, you have the most copied. Okay, you have the highlights there. So you have the most copied, the one is on top. Okay, you have different traders in there. And you also have the highest annual return. Okay, you could scroll that to the sides and you could even view more. And you have the percentages. Look at that. Highest annual return, you have 2,580.55%. How large is that? I mean, and you also have the one for low risk and stable return. So I mean, it all depends on how risky you are with your trades. So I would actually strongly suggest that you start by choosing the ones for, I would say, the low risk and stable return. Because I mean, that way you would be able to, get your feet wet and get a feel of how this one will go about and how much profit you will be able to make. So it's like, checking out and testing the waters, see how consistent you will be, how much returns you can get. And then from then, you could start climbing up the ladder and checking out the most copied, okay? You have the 8.25, you have 25.51. Let's choose one here at the bottom. And you will see that the risk, okay, right there, you have the eye, you can tap on that, and it will show you how or what that means, okay? So wristband, the wristband represents the volatility of the strategy. The bigger the value, the more significant risk, okay? The riskier. So here is the latest daily wristband, and it reflects the most up-to-date status. Now you have copiers. There are 5 copiers that are, with Arturo copying his trades. You have monthly return, okay, 923.64%. You have max drawn, monthly wristbands, and a lot of other details that you can explore. And the great thing about this is you always have that eye, right? So like this one, trade stats. Show the total number of trades closed, the number of trades by sorts, and the percentage of profitable orders. So that is the one that is showing. So this number right here, okay, the one on your screen. So that is the meaning of trades stats. Okay, you also have others, active since. So April 29, 2025, very recent. So you would know that Arturo is a very active trader. And settlement frequency, you have daily. Okay, so that is actually very good. And you could even check out his portfolio. So guys, the benefits of being a copier on PU Prime are very significant, and the platform supports 3 distinct copy trading modes. So it allows you for flexible risk management, a 99.99% execution rate, which ensures that the copied trades are processed swiftly and accurately, which reduces slippage and aligning closely with the signal provider's prices. So again, guys, I would strongly suggest that you check it out yourselves. Download the PU Prime app on your phones, all right? And then you could go ahead and check that and see for yourself. The best thing about this is that you have the demo and the live trading account, which then will let you, if you're on the demo account, you could practice it out, test it, see for yourself, have a feel of the online trading platform. Again, guys, this is my top online trading platform that I normally use with all of my trade. So you got to go ahead and see this yourself. So if you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.